This is the evening time, and I'm walking again in the campus of FDDI Hyderabad. You can see there are a lot of guava. You can eat it. You can see. Oh, you can eat it. This is the best. You can eat it. A lot of guava are there on this tree. You can see. So let's walk with me on this campus. So also see there are a lot of flowers. It's pretty cool. Nice. Wow, you can see the flowers. It's pretty good. Oh, nice. The beauty of flowers. The nature is too much good. See the greenery, a lot of trees are there. And again, the flowers are there. The flowers on this tree. A lot of trees, a lot of flowers are there. The beauty of nature. This is a playground of the campus where the students and the kids are playing football, cricket, a lot of games. There is also a chairs are there. You can sit there and see the match of. You can see the greenery.